Hi everyone, here we've got the DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on this circle, which is not visible right here because of the sticker, but trust me, there is a circle, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which have been installed from the App Store, and here we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see right now, we've got 19 apps. Previously we had 22, so those apps are available to be updated. So all you have to do in order to update particular app is to just find it, mark it, and tap on this icon, which you cannot see right now. And as you can see right now, the Gmail in my case will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.